This is a smart watering device for mows. Let's explore the installation and application. Equipped with Type-C cable for stable power supply. Long press the button of mode to start pairing. Then, add this device in Mows app. The watering time and interval can be set by app. Cut the desired pipe length. The end of the water pipe shall be connected to the filter and the device. Connect with T-junction and nozzles as required. Now, the installation is done. Put the filter into water. Connect the pipe with ground insert and then insert it into the plants. Automated irrigation is realized easily in your house.